Hi everyone, this is Brahmesh, and in this video we'll discuss about two time cycle indicators which we have developed in TradingView. They are called as Gan time cycles and Astro time cycle indicators. They can be applied on any instrument, whether it is index, currencies, commodities, because these are natural cycles and they tend to work in all the instruments. And these are pure intraday indicators. We generally apply them on 5 minutes time frame, but you can apply on 15 minutes, or if you are a very short term trader trading in heavy volumes, then you can even apply on 1 minute chart. Having said that, these are not holy grails. The stop losses will get hit, and but at the end of the day, if you are disciplined, you are bound to make money in the markets. So how to use these indicators, let me show you. So this is Nifty's chart. We can check out on various instruments. You just click on indicator and just select Astro time cycles, and it will automatically draw these lines. So we have given a reference point which it takes automatically, and it start drawing the line. So how to use this indicator is, suppose we get this point. This is at this point, this is a 5 minutes time frame. This is Nifty. So you note down the high and low of this candle, 16966 to 16932. So that's a range of around 34 points. So if 16966, I'm referring here, if 16966, which is the high of this candle, is breached, you go long, and if 16931 is broken, you go short. And your target is basically 32 points, and your stop loss is also 32 points. That is 1 is to 1, and then you can, every after every 32 points, you can keep trailing your position. So 32 points came because of the range of this candle. As the If the markets are volatile, the range will be big. If markets are sideways, the range will be smaller. So now you can see here it broke the high, and from there we had a very decent move. It's more than 32 points. Now, these see, sometimes you'll get these two lines together, which is an indication like a big trend is round the corner, because there are two time cycles which are Venus and Mercury are meeting together. So basically, always wait for the next candle to form. Again, it broke the high, you go long, and if it breaks this low, I'll just mark the low here just for the clarity. This is the low, and this low is getting breached. These levels are valid till the next candle comes. So see here, this low got breached here, and from there we had a very decent fall. So this is a very, I mean, nothing needs to be done here. Just your execution needs to be proper. If that is the case, you can very well go ahead and make very. So you can capture, see here, very nice move came here. It was also a short-term top and a good fall. Again, two cycles came together. Like I told you, whenever two cycles are meeting, wait for the second cycle and see here. From there, a good move came in. So this indicator can be applied on any instrument. See here, this was a top, and yes, if the markets after 3 o'clock, avoid taking any signals, because this is pure intraday indicator. You need to close your positions before the market closing. You don't have to carry it forward, and wait for the next signal, and it will keep drawing. Like for tomorrow, two cycles are meeting around 9:35 and 9:45. So after 9:45, we can get a good trend into the market. So very simple indicator, and it can be applied on any instrument. Let's take some instrument like US market. Let's take Nasdaq. That's quite volatile. You have to just open it up, and yeah. So let's select this, and it will automatically draw the line. So like you can see here, it has drawn the lines, and it captures quite decent highs and lows. These are automatic lines. Again, like two cycles are meeting, after second cycle, a trending move came. So it can be applied on any instrument, any currencies, and it works really nice. So this is one indicator, and second indicator which I'm talking about is the Gan cycles. So what you have to do is, again, if you go here, so you select a time cycle here. This is the Gan cycle indicator. Now you need to select a major top or bottom. Like here, market made a bottom here. You apply it here, and it will automatically draw these lines. Again, you can see here, here it went short, and after that it went up and did a target. But again, you need to close the indicator, I mean the trade, before 3:30. Don't carry your positions overnight. Again, it made I mean, the cycle came here. Again, there is a small spike up. This was an exact top. From there it fall. From there again a good fall. So very I mean, again, the trades will get stopped out. Like here, it got stopped out, but the short side of the trade went up and did the targets. So a very simple indicator. So and it can be again applied on any kind of instrument. So let's take an example of, let's suppose, mm, let's take a commodity. So I'll take for crude. crude oil futures in MCX. And again, first I need to figure out a major top or bottom. So if you can see here, it made a top here, right? So go to indicators, select time cycles, and put it here on the top. It will automatically draw the lines. So this was the first thing. Again, it got topped out here. The next candle, it was a whipsaw, and after that, it broke the high and went long. So see, when you're doing intraday trading, you need to be very fast with your execution. Sometimes you get a clean trade like this, a very clean trade. It never breached the high, which was the stop loss, and from there we had a decent fall till the next cycle. So a very, very simple way to apply these techniques, and you can apply it on any instrument per se. Let's take another example of SPX. So again, if you see here, reset chart, SPX, like recently it made a bottom here. So again, I reapply the indicator, and you can apply two cycles, like one on the, this is the top, I apply it here, right? See here, a good fall, a good rise, and you can apply the same indicator on a major top where it has formed a major top. So SPX has formed a major top somewhere here. So again, go to indicator. So a basic version of TradingView allows you to apply three indicators. So you can apply, see here, again, kind of a good topping out formation, a bottoming out formation, and a perfect bottom, from there a good rally. So yeah, this is how you can use it. This was a kind of a top, from there a decent fall came in, and it can be applied on currencies, any instrument per se. You choose an instrument, you can apply it. These are basic science of nature, natural science. So you tend to get, but again, having said that, these are not holy grails. You will get stopped out at times, and you need to accept that loss. Like this was a classic case, a green candle and red candle, and it was a stopping out trade, but the losses are small, so nothing to be, if you are a disciplined trader, you are bound to make money. So that's about it. So in this video we have discussed the two indicators, basically the time cycle indicators, and they are available on my page here. So you can just have a look at it. These are Astro time cycle indicators, and this is Gan cycle indicator. So we have both the indicators. You can very well go ahead and use them in your trading. And any questions, any doubt, do let me know in the video. I'll be happy to clarify. Thank you very much. Stay disciplined.